about to learn today, and I won't be bothered by mistakes from yesterday. So tell my parents and my teachers too. Today I'm gonna learn about something new. Yeah, have a great day to everyone. How are you today? Welcome back to our remote classroom. I am Miss Jennifer. Are you ready to learn something new today? Let's start. So class, what do you like doing? What do you like doing? Me? Learn today, and I won't be bothered by mistakes from yesterday. Obviously, I like singing. I like singing. What about you? What do you like doing? Pardon me? Can you say it again? What do you like doing? Right. So today we'll learn about what we like doing and don't like doing. This time, let's have a review first with our 6 outdoor fun vocabulary last time. Climb, hike, canoe, fish, grill hamburgers, watch birds. Do you remember them? Now, let's learn the words with their ing form. Climb, climbing, hike, hiking, canoe, canoeing, fish, fishing, grill hamburgers, grilling hamburgers, watch birds, watching birds. Let's practice saying the words with their ing form. Climbing, 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 hiking, 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 canoeing, 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 fishing, 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 grilling hamburgers, grilling hamburgers, grilling hamburgers, watching birds, watching birds, watching birds. Now class, look at the photo. What does she like doing? What does she like doing? She likes climbing. She likes climbing. She likes climbing. She likes climbing. What about this boy? What does he like doing? What does he like doing? He likes hiking. He likes hiking. He likes hiking. He likes hiking. This time, look at the photo below and answer me. What does he like doing? What does he like doing? 2. What does she like doing? What does she like doing? 3. What does she like doing? What does she like doing? 4. What does he like doing? What does he like doing? 5. What does he like doing? What does he like doing? 6. What does she like doing? What does she like doing? Now, this time it's your turn to ask the question. Ask me the question. You ask and I answer. Look at the photo. You ask and I answer. Number 1, ask me. Look at the photo. Ask me. Repeat. Right. He likes canoeing. He likes canoeing. Number 2, ask me. One more time. She likes watching birds. She likes watching birds. Number 3, ask me. Right. He likes hiking. He likes hiking. Number 4, ask me. He likes fishing. He likes fishing. Number 5, ask me now. Right. She likes grilling hamburgers. She likes grilling hamburgers. Final one, ask me. Say it again. Right. She likes climbing. She likes climbing. Okay, what about you? What do you like doing? Me, I like singing. I like dancing. I like canoeing. What about you? What do you like doing? And what about your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister? Ask them. Hello, Dad. What do you like doing? Hello, Mom. What do you like doing? And comment your answer below. Hi, students. This time, you may pause the video and write your answer. Look at the photo and pause the video and write your answer. Now, get your pen and paper and have fun writing. Good.
Hi, Miss J.
Yeah, hi.
Could I ask you a question?
Sure.
Do you like singing a song?
Yes.
Okay, and do you like swimming?
Nah.
What? Could you say it in a different way?
Oh, sure.
So, do you like singing?
Yes, I like it a lot.
And do you like swimming?
No, I don't like it at all.
Okay, thank you, Miss J. Have fun teaching.
You're welcome. That's how we say yes and no in a different way. Yes. Yes, I like it a lot. No. No, I don't like it at all. So we're going to learn how to say yes and no in a different way. Look at the photo. There's a man and a woman. They are hiking. Now, look at the man. Does he like hiking? Does he like hiking? Yes, he likes it a lot. Yes, he likes it a lot. Repeat. Yes, he likes it a lot. Say it. Excellent. What about the woman? Does she like hiking? Does she like hiking? No, she doesn't like it at all. No, she doesn't like it at all. No, she doesn't like it at all. Repeat. No, she doesn't like it at all. Say it again. Good job. This time, look at the photo below and answer me. Yes, he'll like it a lot. Or, yes, she likes it a lot. No, he doesn't like it at all. Or, no, she doesn't like it at all. Number 1, does he like canoeing? Does he like canoeing? Answer? Right. Number 2, does he like grilling hamburgers? Does he like grilling hamburgers? Say it again. Right. Number 3, does she like fishing? Does she like fishing? No. Number 4, does she like hiking? Does she like hiking? Say the answer. Great job. Number 5, does he like watching birds? Does he like watching birds? What's the answer? Brilliant. Last one. Does she like hiking? Does she like hiking? Say the answer. Good job, class. Today I'm gonna learn about something new. Oh yeah! Have you learned something new, class? I hope so. So this time, do you know how to say what you like, what you don't like, what he likes, what he doesn't like, what she likes, what she doesn't like? I believe you. I believe that you can do it this time. I hope you have fun learning in our remote classroom with Miss J. So, that's all for today and see you all next time. Goodbye everyone. Have a great day.